Oh, hardly anybody had a telly. It was a different kind of world. Heaven was a game of football before I ever kissed a girl. We used to go out driving. We traveled near and far. Nearly every Sunday in my father's old Ford car. And he'd be pointing out the landmarks everywhere we go. Through the twisting, turning, winding roads of Galway and Mayo. My mother would be in the front seat, the children in the back. Be imagining Indians in the field, waiting to attack. And when they ask us, are we nearly there? Wearing clothes that came in a parcel from America, the two of us the same. He'd be pointing out the landmarks everywhere we go. Through the twisting, turning, winding road of Galway and Mayo. Children in the summer, a sheepdog lying in the sun. Three young girls with butterfly nets break into a run. All the time flies by like always. Got my old boy now, like cowboys in the old Corolla. Oh, drive around. On the line was let go lately. I still take him out that way. I show him where we cut the turf and where we stake the hay. And I be pointing out the landmarks everywhere we go. Through that twisting, turning, winding road of Galway and Mayo. Through the twisting, turning, winding road of Galway and Mayo. Through the twisting, turning, winding road of Galway